Hello to our intermediate families. This is Miss Hobby here, and I am super excited to introduce you to our LiveSchool program. LiveSchool is our online character management system. We record great character and we record character in fractions. Parents are able to access this at any time to see what's going on with their kids in school. So I really recommend that you get right on there and see all the great things that have been happening already just in the last 3 days with your child. So your child, in their blue folder in the back of their binder, will have this paper today. It'll have their name, and it's going to have very specific instructions exactly how to register for this program. All parents have to do this. Even if you've had LiveSchool in the past, this is a program that you have to reactivate every single year. Now, your kids have already activated theirs today. So where it says help your student, don't do that part. You don't need to do that part. They are done. They use their school email address and are already loaded up and ready to go. This is what you will be concentrating on. Now, Susie Hobby is just a fictitious student that we're using to be able to get an idea of what this looks like. The first step is to actually go to this site, and you will enter one of two parent codes. The codes do exactly the same thing. It's just for each parent that parents this child to have access. So if we have two parents in the same household that want to use two different codes, that's fine. If we have parents in different households, that's what this is for. So if you could please, if you happen to be the parent that receives this tonight, take a picture and send it to the other parent so that they too can gain access. If that is a problem, please let me know and I would be happy to do that for you. All right, so you are going to log in right here. You're going to use that login. And this is what's going to come up, something that looks like this. And I apologize for it not being exactly centered. It's just the program I'm using. But you will enter the code and hit submit. Once you hit login, it will ask you for some credentials such as your first and last name, the username and password that you would prefer to use. Okay, so that's what you'll use when you first log in for the first time. Okay, once you enter your credentials that you would like to use, this is what is going to come up. You are going to see, oops, not the store, I've got the wrong thing. You are going to see this section show up for your student, and I'm sorry it's not centered. Here we go. All right, so here's Susie's profile. So as a parent, I'm Susie's parent, and I'm going to look to see if she has a timeline. The timeline is the timeline of character events that have taken place here at school. So I would click on that timeline and see, as I scroll down, this is the first thing that's happened, and then this is the most current item that's happened at the top, and as you scroll to the bottom is the least current thing. So as you can see, I've kind of just done a mock-up form here, and at the very bottom you can see that Susie had her planner filled out and signed by a parent, so she got an easy point. Easiest point a student can get is for their parent to sign their planner. That's the easiest point. They can get 40 points a quarter just because they were responsible enough to make sure their parents signed their planner before coming back to school the next day. Please, please, please do this for your child. It is well worth it. Okay? The next point you will see is they had their parent homework complete. Mom and dad did homework last night. They sent it back. Teacher knows it's complete. They got a point for that. You can see that Susie got a point for having a great first day of school. Actually, Mrs. Hobby gave her 5 bonus points for that because it was such a great first day. She also was super kind and helped a student who dropped their lunch tray. We got another point. Now, Susie hit a rough patch right here, and Susie ended up not doing her math homework. So now we have a strike. That shows up in red. She's losing a point. She now has a strike, and we need mom and dad to know and Susie to be aware and us to keep track that we had a homework problem. Hopefully we won't have any more. Not a big deal. It happens and we're going to move forward. But we also had a little respect issue the same day. Susie was talking during teaching a class, was given a warning, chose not to keep the warning. And so she ended up with a strike. So mom and dad are going to know we had a problem. All right. And then very luckily, Susie decided to turn her day around and had a new student in her class that she just made sure felt comfortable and knew their way around. And we're super proud of Susie, so we're going to make sure that mom and dad know that as well. Do we catch all infractions and do we catch all great character? No, but we do try to catch a lot and show the parents how well that's going for their child at school. Now, if you go to the top 3 lines on the left and click on it and hit store, this is where you're going to see where they can shop at the end of the quarter with their accumulated points. So Susie only has 9 points. She can't really buy much at this point. She is only able to buy a few things, and that's really like a pencil if she needs it. But the good stuff costs more points. And at the end of the quarter, if you're in 4th or 5th grade, Susie's going to shop with these points. If you're in 3rd grade, Susie, if Susie was in 3rd grade, she would get to shop with these points probably halfway through the quarter. And the way that my screen sharing system works, it's not showing the whole screen right now, but this just kind of gives you an idea of some of the fun things that our kids are able to purchase with their points. Now I will take a minute to point out down here, the pencil, cap eraser, oops, won't let me show you the whole thing, or paper. So you can buy a pencil, you can buy a cap eraser, or you can purchase some paper for 2 points. I forgot my stuff and I'm willing to spend a little bit of my money, my points, to buy a new pencil. If you don't have any points, then you would get a strike for responsibility for not having that item. So those are a couple things you can buy, and also headphones are a big deal. A lot of kids tend to forget their headphones here and there, so they can also rent headphones for 5 points a day if needed. These are just a few features that the LiveSchool app has to offer. I think you'll really find as a parent you will enjoy it. So please take the time to get signed up for that tonight. And if you have any issues at all getting signed up, please call or email me, Mrs. Hobby, and I will do my best to get you through. The easiest thing to do, though, is follow these directions step by step, and you should have no problem at all accessing the account. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this long but very important video.